Yo, what's popping, gang? What's popping, gang? Welcome back to First Hand Effects, the home of blues, alright? So, if you're new to my channel, guys, or if this is the first time you're watching this channel, kindly stick around because this channel only talks about Forex trading in depth, alright? So, let's get it. Also, smash that subscribe button. So, I'm going to analyze the next week's trade. So, today's Friday, yeah, today's Friday, and I'm just going to break down that market analysis. Okay, so I'm looking at this euro card that I've been trading for the past 2 weeks or 3 to 2 weeks. Okay, and I believe that the market now has reached a certain level that is now about to change its general trend or its direction. So let's go back and check this market from the weekly time frame. So this is what has been happening the past few weeks. So we can see that price has been in a downtrend for quite some time. You see, now that's what has been happening. So this has been a pullback all the way to this level over here, this resistance over here. So I believe all this market movement was just that retracement from that downtrend that has been happening. Okay, so we can now take that fib tool and you can see that now price reached that 61 zone, that golden zone over here. Okay, so this is now what has been happening. As we can see now, we can see that we have a black candlestick. I believe in your trading view that should be a red candlestick. You can see this over here, this sorry about that, this black candlestick. So this is a very powerful zone or a very golden zone, as you can see over here, this 61. So price has touched that 61 zone, and if you go down to that daily time frame, let's go down the daily time frame. Okay, and let's see. All right, okay, as you can see that price had been on that uptrend, that retracement, this level over here. You can see price touched it. This is the first touch, the second touch. Now price is trying to reverse to come down to retest this support over here. So you can see, let me zoom in, zoom in. Let me remove this tool over here. Okay, so we also had a certain inner trend over here, guys. They have the first touch, the second, the third, maybe the fourth over here. So price is trying to break this level before going down. We can see that let me remove these two. We can see that I don't know, you can see this pattern, this rectangle pattern over here. So you can see it's almost being broken. Okay, so I believe, let me go back down to 4-hour time frame. Okay, so these are just confluence that we're adding to our chart. Okay, so we can see that price also had some I mean, we can see there was also a downtrend over here. Okay, there was this downtrend, boom, that now price broke. Then there was this something that was happening. As you can see, there's also something called a flag pattern, guys. That is an inverted flag. Okay, I don't know if you can see. Let me draw this flag. You can see where is that thing? Okay, you can see there's this, boom, then boom, and boom. That's an inverted flag. So I'm expecting that this is what is going to happen. Okay, so yeah, so price trying to break that zone, guys. Let me remove these drawings. Okay, so what's going to happen? I believe I'm going to wait for another retracement now that we can see the market direction has indicated that wants to change. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I want to wait for a retracement. So I'm going to bring another fib tool from this higher point over here, then make it down over there where now price currently at. So this was going to happen. I just want that a retracement, boom, nice. I remember, guys, this is the 61 zone that I'm usually anticipate that when price touches and rejects, that's when I take my entry. So I'm just going to wait and for that price to come and retrace in this golden zone over here, then wait for some rejection and that bearish candlestick before now going down. Okay, but first thing, this is the first take profit over here. Now price is coming to test this zone, so we're not going to hold that trade fast. But then at this about how many pips, let me see, around 56, but no problem. We should be waiting for price to break that structure. When price breaks this support over there, then I should see more retracement. This will be a very good sign now that price wants to pull down or push down to test that support down over there. Let me show you. Boom, boom, then now coming to test this, okay, or yeah, this zone that we did analyze from that higher time frame. So I believe this is going to be just in the first week. Maybe next week price should be dropping for quite some time over. I believe that there should be around 500 pips, let me say 500 pips for that drop. That's what I'm going to do next week. I'm going to look for sales only. But then if we go back to the weekly, we can see that price should be dropping more than that. Okay, all right, so you can see, like I told you guys, price did this drop over here, then there was that now that pullback, so that price should be going down and down and maybe forming that double top before maybe reversing to the upper side, or maybe price will continue pushing down. Okay, so that's how the market behaves. Okay, so like I say, you can bring that fib tool over here, then down to the previous low over here, boom, then we can see now price should be retesting. Okay, just a minute. Okay, down, maybe coming back to that 61 zone, maybe, boom. This is what should be happening, I believe. That's just my anticipation. Okay, yep, so that should be easy. That's what I'm going to look at next week. Okay guys, that's what I'm going to look at. Like I said before, I'm going to wait for that pullback or retracement before going down. So next week should be a very good indication for sale. This is just analysis from the weekly. This is Euro card, and yeah, so we're only going to look for sales that Euro card. Let me look for other pairs maybe. So I believe you can see that Euro card is on my watch list. Okay, so maybe let me look for maybe a pair and see what's going to happen the next week. Okay, so okay, so this has been, and this is Aussie against the card. So Aussie also, this is okay, this is weekly. All right, so we can see we had this trend line, boom. Okay, so then yeah, price has been trending down. We also have this second, boom, right, that's great. So those are just analysis just to tell us that we're still now in a downtrend. We're still down, we're still in a downtrend. As you can see now, price has now closed, or is going to close below that support now. Okay, so let's go back to that daily. Let's see what's happening. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so generally I believe, okay, let's just see if that conference really add up by adding that fib tool over here. We have this, boom, let's see. Oh, nice. Guys, you can see there's this. All right, the 61 zone, nice. So you can see that the 61 zone also, that's where the price really retraced. Nice. All right, that's nice. You can see there's this push, then now pullback or retracement, now price coming down. That's nice. So Aussie, we are still going to look for also sales. So this is the Audi card, Aussie, yeah. So that's nice. So how am I going to look for my entry? Let me go down to the 4 hours. Okay, let me remove this major fib tool. Okay, this is great guys. So I'm just going to look for that previous high zone. Okay, so immediate. Okay, we can say that we have this lower high, I mean, yeah, lower high, lower low, lower high. So now that's great. Price has been, well, come on, man. We can see this downtrend. There's also another downtrend here on the 4 hours. Okay, let me just remove this. We also have this downtrend over here, guys. Okay, have that. So how am I going to take that sell entry? Okay, just looking for that retracement zone. Okay, so let me see, maybe if price closes below over here this Friday, I'm just going to wait for that retracement, that golden zone. We have that 60. Okay, so this is great. Okay, so we just need that pullback over here before going down, then price continues dropping. So next week should be great. You can see this is Aussie again, the card. So I think these pairs are moving in the same directions. Okay, so I believe something like correlation. So that's another pair that is in my watch list. So still in a downtrend. This is great, guys. Nice. Okay, and if we extend this resistance, we can see this is what's going to happen, guys. This is what's going to happen. Price nice, nice. You can see that drop, guys. Okay, or let me just do this. Blah 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 blah. That's nice, guys. Okay, as you can see, that's the drop. So those are going to be great trades next week. I believe we should be dropping over 2 weeks. Price should be dropping. Okay, remember we did like I said, 2 to 3 weeks we were on bulls with these two pairs. Was there another one? I believe, yeah, we also had card something, card JPY. Let me see if, let's go back to the weekly. So get ready, guys. Okay, and if you are new to this channel, guys, I have a Telegram channel that I usually send my free signals. Okay, I send free signals, so when I should be calling this trade, I do send those signals. So guys, kindly check the channel. The link is in the description. Okay, just let me show you how the channel is lit. Okay, so let me just show you. Let's just where is the channel? Okay, over here, right? So we can see we should be, we are always in blues, maybe one or two losses, guys. Okay, so let me just show you. Let me show you. So for example, this is a trade that I did call out. We have that Aussie card that I just talked about. I did call out that trade, and you can see how nice and beautiful those trades really were. They were just blue, guys. Okay, all right. So this is GBP. That was nice. You can see how the setups has been crazy. This is the euro card that we've been buying for some time, the 2 to 3 weeks, guys, that I believe now is about to drop. You can see, yeah. Okay, nice. This is euro card. This is a bit, this was the 61 golden zone that price really touched. So I to my thought, to my bias, I was still on the bulls, but I was wrong, guys. Okay, now I've seen that the market has now started changing the direction. We only react to what the market is saying. Okay, all right. This is Aussie and the D. Okay, so yesterday was my first loss. Let me just show you this video.
Yo gang, yo gang. Yeah. It's been a while, and it's been a while since I took that loss, guys. So this is the first loss that I've taken, as you can see. So I've taken 17 trades over here, and you can see that just won 16 out of 17, mine rate 94%. So today was the first trade that I just lost. I believe I just checked, that was I believe that was news also. That was early entry, and then news came in. Yeah, so making my that is 1 out of 17. So I have a win rate of 94% and a 6% loss. Yeah, you can see my shorts are 100%. Okay, long ones, as you can see, 93, right? Which is great. My average Okay, let me see. How many pips? Let me see. Okay, I have 258 pips so far. I've made 258 pips, and I've lost 30 pips. Crazy, crazy, crazy. And it's a real account, gang. Real account over here. And let me show you my drawdown. Let me see. So April 6th, I had this drawdown. This was a major drawdown, about 1% drawdown. But then from then, as you can see, I have not had any drawdown. 0.05 drawdown up to today, April, 0.05%. So yeah, so we're still moving. Okay.
Alright guys, so that's how that channel is lit, so kindly check the channel. Alright, oh, we also have this is card JPY that I'm looking at right now, but those are just wins, guys. You can see those are just wins. Alright, so this is euro card, guys. So like I said before, we don't, I mean, it's not all about that win. Also, we also do take losses. Okay, spoiler alert. We also do take losses, but then you can see that was the first loss that we did take, and also today I believe we also took a L. That's now the second loss for the past a month and also, guys. Okay, so that's how that channel is lit, gang. So if you want to receive those free signal, guys, okay, just check the link in the description below. Okay, so this is card JPY. I don't know. Okay, let me just stop there. Let me not look for more pairs. I'm just going to stick to these two pairs. Okay, I believe they have good or great correlation. These are just the pairs that I'm going to look at in the first, in the next 1 to 2 weeks coming, or starting from next week Monday. That is the Euro card and the Aussie card. So these are just the two pairs that are in my watch list currently. So until next time, gang, if you're new to my channel, like I said before, just smash the subscribe button, because you now understand how this channel is lit. Okay, so see you later. Adios.